I'm Dr. Fahim Mushtaq. Today we are going to discuss the different lecture series of cryptography and network security. Today is the introductory lecture where we only discuss about uh, the content what we are going to cover in this lecture series. Also, uh, the course learning outcomes and etc. other things. Firstly, we will move forward. Uh, First, we will know that what is the background related to the information security. The requirements of information security within an organization have undergone two major changes in the last several decades. Before the widespread use of data processing equipments, the security of information felt to be valuable to an organization was provided primarily by a physical and administrative mechanism. Growing computer use implies a need for automated tool for protect files and other information stored in it. This is behind the major reason. This is especially the case for sharing system such as time sharing system, and even more so for a system that can be accessed over a public telephone network, data network, and the internet. The second major change that affects security is the introduction of distributed system and the use of system and communication facilities for carrying data between terminal user and computer and between computer and computer. Network security measures are needed to protect data during their transmission. This is what we discuss about the background of information security. Here is the aim of the course is that our detailed focus of this course or our book what which we use to carry in this course is cryptography and network security. You may bring any of the book, William Sterling or Browser Frozen. It's up to you. You can carry any of the book, or but in our lecture we use both books, material from the both books. Okay. So detailed focus, as I say, of the course, which is in internet security, being measured to deter, prevent, detect, and correct security violation that involve the transmission and storage of information. Here is the course content that we will cover in this lecture series, in which first include the information security overview, in which we discuss the goals, attacks, services, mechanism, and techniques of the information security. In second phase, we will discuss the mathematical formulation, mathematical methodology that uses in the development of symmetric key cryptography, which include modular arithmetic, congruence, groups, rings, and finite value. In third section of this lecture series, we will discuss the traditional symmetric key cipher, where we use the substitution, transposition, one-time pad, and steganography. Fourth section of this lecture series, which include the modern symmetric key cipher, which include we will discuss different block ciphers and stream cipher. And block cipher includes, we will discuss in these books, which include in this course, which includes the data encryption standard ES, triple ES, and advanced encryption standard, which is AES. Uh, the algorithm we will discuss in Stream Cipher includes the RC4 and modes of cipher operations. Next, we will discuss the mathematics for asymmetric keys cryptography, which include number theory, prime number, Euler theorem, primality testing, factorization, Chinese remainder theorem, and discrete logarithm. After that, we will discuss the asymmetric key cryptography. Different algorithms include in the asymmetric key cryptography, which are the RSA, algorithm, elliptic curve crypto system. And next we will discuss the different hash function, which includes the share 512 and whirlpool. Meanwhile, we will discuss the more recent hashing function as well uh, during cover this section. After that, we will discuss message integrity and authentication. The algorithms includes MDC, MAC, HMAC, digital signature, and entity authentication. After covering all these, we will move to the key management. We will discuss the key scheduling algorithms. In key management, first we will discuss the KDC, KER, Barrows, Diffie-Hellman algorithm, CA, PKI. Okay. After this section, that's a great section because uh, previously in data communication and base courses for this information security, we will uh, detail review the OSI model. If you cannot review, you can find my lectures of OSI model. You can find that how the OSI model work, how each layer in the OSI model work. So security at internet model layers, we will see the security at the application layer, task mode layer, network layer. Okay. After that, at the end of this course, we will see e-camera security, which includes dual signature and set protocol. Here includes the course learning outcomes. Uh, After the complete course, student will be able to explain various security mechanism, work, correlate these security mechanism with security principle. Second learning outcome is that to identify various security mechanism and articulate their advantage and limitation. Thirdly, student may able to analyze working and performance of security algorithm and protocol. Least not the last, which is applying security principle to solve a problem, where we see that the real world example, and we will see that how we apply the different cryptographic algorithm security mechanism to solve the real world example. This is what the about the today lecture. Hopefully, you continue our lecture series and you get more about the different cryptographic algorithm, more about the different information security tool. And I believe that you enjoyed today lecture. Thank you so much for the today lecture. See you in next lecture. Thank you.